Okay, hey, in part 2 of this episode, we'll continue to explain to you the phase number 4, right? To recap, in part 1, I have walked through with you the first 3 phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, in the network marketing business building journey. So in part 2, we will continue to finish up in about phase 4, and I will recommend to you in the digital era, what would be a more efficient, authentic, and productive strategy moving forward, especially for beginners aspiring to succeed in network marketing business today. So here we go. Now, what makes network marketing business very, very attractive to a lot of people when they are being shown this business model is about aiming ultimately in phase 4, because the short answer would be not only it is a residual income, of course, in other words, it's a total passive income results. At the same time, it has a lot of upside in regards to exponential growth in terms of the passive income. That means the layman way to explain to you would be you may not be spending a lot of time in business building as compared to the other 3 phases, and you are also not spending a lot of effort in business building as well. Literally, we can say that you are already retired from business building. You are just enjoying the fruits of your labor over the years, beginning with phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 to reach phase 4. And your income is exponentially growing. That is what is the most attractive part about this business model in network marketing business industry. And that is also why the upside value is so high, unlimited. The sky is the limit. That is the main reason why it can attract so many elites of our society. I can give you an example, like famous people, celebrities around the world, to undertake, to partake in a network marketing business. One very good example would be personally a friend from my personal friend from Taiwan, and she is actually a very famous TV actress, TV drama actress and host in Taiwan. Okay, and her name is actually Joanne Lian Jingwen. And of course, I have not only the privilege to be a friend with her since 2017, but at the same time, right, and I have actually adopt her as my business mentor in coaching and mentoring me, right, in using social media marketing strategy, right, in building a network marketing business together with her. So the thing with me, right, deciding to move from the old school way of prospecting in my building my network marketing business into a more modern and digital way, fundamentally in joining her team and adopting her as my business mentor, right, is I'm looking at the angle of a business decision, because personally she is already a very famous brand. So that means now I have the privilege of using her marketing videos, for example, that I do not need to pay her anything when I use her name, her marketing videos to market the same product, right, in my network marketing business. Unlike in the traditional sense, when you are doing traditional business, if you would like to hire a famous person like a celebrity, right, to speak up about your products, right, you actually have to pay them handsomely before they decided to sign a contract with you. And we call that a sponsorship. Now, the beautiful part about a network marketing business industry is right now, regular people like me, right, a commoner, in fact, I can have a upside networking opportunity, like having a celebrity, right, in my business portfolio that I can use her brand, her marketing resources to support my business building journey all the way without the need to pay her a fee. So tell me, where else can you find that in the business world? Only in the network marketing business, then regular people like myself can have that kind of privilege for free. because the business model is designed in such a way, right, that it is a level playing field. So think about it, right? That is a very wonderful conditions to have in a network marketing business building journey, isn't it? Next, let's talk about the modern and digital way, which, in other words, there are plenty of digital automations in your business building, which will be a big advantage, especially for beginners. In fact, all the way up to the advanced level, people that are very seasoned and experienced in the network marketing business building, by using digital platform or tools to help you have a better advantage right from phase one. Do you remember that in my part one, I talk about in phase one, right? You have to spend lots of your time and lots of effort, right, in order to just begin making a small commissions. Now, think about it with a digital ecosystem that you set up. That means it is actually a business system that you set up. You now can call yourself a business owner because you're going to manage this business system. And with a business system, that means there are plenty of leverage, plenty of automations. When you let it run, it will help you to replace a lot of your time and a lot of your effort because it is 24/7, isn't it?